Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of vanish. Disappear suddenly and completely. For example, Mary vanished without a trace. The second definition of vanish. Become zero. For example, afterwards the woman left quickly as the credits rolled, vanishing out into the street. American pronunciation. Vanish. Vanish. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Vanish. Say. Vanish. Vanish means disappear suddenly. Vanish. Vanish. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. She had vanished completely without leaving one single trace. Now, repeat after me. She had vanished completely without leaving one single trace. The second practice. She vanished from the family home on Saturday, February 16th last year. Now, repeat after me. She vanished from the family home on Saturday, February 16th last year.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.